Stuck with the wtsapi32.dll failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Don't let wtsapi32 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the wtsapi32, the Windows Terminal Services API library. It manages the communication between the OS and remote desktop sessions, handling user session enumeration and message broadcasting. If corrupted, remote desktop will fail to connect, or users will be unable to switch between accounts, citing a terminal services service failure. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. wtsapi32 is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered wtsapi32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of wtsapi32.dll that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for wtsapi32. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing wtsapi32 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.